In the next few minutes I will do a price prediction and price analysis on the price of the Axie Infinity cryptocurrency, which is the native cryptocurrency of the Axie Infinity game. This cryptocurrency has seen a huge surge in price, and after I did a price prediction yesterday, it again did something like 30 to 40%, and that's why I think it is definitely needed to do a quick update on this price analysis. Alright, welcome back. Let's get right into this analysis. So yesterday when I did the price prediction and price analysis, I think we were exactly at this candle, after which I told you that I believe somewhere over here would be a nice price to get in, but my opinion has changed by quite a bit, because it actually moved up by a lot after that. So basically I have a few scenarios of what could happen, together with some nice buy areas. So first, the two that I think are most likely. So the first one being price goes up again and it finds resistance at 155, maybe 160, after which it will bounce back, possibly up until the 130 point, together with the 0.236 Fibonacci, after which it will bounce off of this key level. This key level is based on the 1 hour time frame, because here it is not that clear, but at the 1 hour time frame it's quite clear. And after that I think it will bounce back a little bit more to actually the 120 price level, and I think that's a great area to buy if you want to be in this cryptocurrency for the next bull run or for the long term. Then I think the 120 area is a very good price to buy. Then the second scenario is that the price actually will continue to go down from here. Again, I think it will find resistance at the 0.236, but that's not necessary. It can also just go down to the 120 immediately, after which again we'll find resistance at the 140 up until 150, somewhere over there, but most likely here at the key level. And then again I think the 120 key level is just a good place to buy from. It might get quite some drawdown from there, 10 to 15%, but still long term I think that's a great area to buy. After which I think the price will, the arrow is up until the 155, but I think it can actually go way further. I think actually the next real resistance area, so where price will meet a lot of resistance and possibly do a quite a big pullback, I think is around the 220 price area. And on what is this based? This is actually based on previous price action, somewhat, not quite literally, because the price has never been this high. The price is at an all-time high. But when you look at this, price has found resistance at the 120, and it did not actually find resistance at the 100 psychological key level. And that's why again I think it will not find resistance at the 200 level, but more likely at the 220. Just think that if it reaches 200, that there's too much bullish momentum to instantly stop the price. And then I also have a very nice area for if you don't care if you miss out on the boat on this cryptocurrency, and that is this area around the 100 psychological key level, but kind of the area of 100 up until 104. I think that's a very nice trade area, but again also if you don't mind missing out on a boat, then this could be a very good area to jump in from. After how it gets there, not quite sure. It might just go down really quickly in one wick, for example. And from there I think it will follow the same trajectory as the other one, basically just up. This arrow is quite simplistic. It might find some resistance right here, possibly some resistance right here again at the 140, so resistance at 120 and resistance at 140. But overall, for the last bit of this year, so the upcoming weeks and months, I am very bullish on this cryptocurrency. I'm very bullish on most cryptocurrencies, and I just think that if you will get in from here, that would be a very nice hold or a very nice trade. So basically that's this emergency update on the price prediction after the price had moved quite a bit. If you have any questions about these scenarios, about the price prediction or about the possible trades, make sure to ask it down in the comments, and I will make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next analysis or next video. Bye.